You are making one big mistake that's killing your PMP confidence. That big mistake is how you talk to yourself while you study. All right, let me prove it to you. Now, right off the bat, have you ever said, I should be better? I should be further along in my study process. I should be scoring higher on my quizzes. If you're doing that, you are doing yourself a disservice because you're setting yourself up to fail. You're making comparisons against somebody that you aren't even competing against, yourself. So stop doing that. I want you to replace should be with I can do this today. Meaning instead of saying I should be further along, means that I have a goal today to watch 2 hours of videos. I can do that. I can do that. It's a specific shift that you're making in your mind to say, oh, I'm behind, I should be, to I can do this. And you set reasonable goals for yourself to move through. It's more positive. It builds you up. You can check. You can make progress and get down the road. So stop saying should. I got more. Let's keep going. All right, so here we go. Number 2, I'm a bad test taker. I'm a bad studier. I'm a bad project manager. I can't do this. Have you ever heard yourself say that, maybe back in the back of your head or out? I'm just a bad test taker. I can't do this. Now I want you to replace I'm a bad with in the past, I've had a tough time with taking standardized tests. Okay, but I can improve and I'm going to lean into getting better. All right? You're going to draw a line in the sand and you're going to make it, boom, concrete. And you're going to say, yes, I've had problems in the past. But the past is the past, and I'm making a decision to do something different in the future, okay? If you keep saying, and you label yourself, I'm a bad, you will be that. And you might not be great at taking tests right now. You might get sweaty palms. You might get, nervous. Your head might spin. You might go, but if you identify it, you can say, I'm going to find a way out. Create the possibility that exists. You can do this. Stop labeling yourself as a bad. You have been bad. Let's get better. Number 3, I can't understand this stuff. I can't find time to study. I can't get higher scores. You can. You've done more. You've done harder. You've overcome more than you ever thought if you were to reflect it. So do not let yourself fall into, I can't understand. Really? I can't find time to study. Really? I can't get higher scores. Really? If you want it, you can do it. So I want you to replace I can't with, I'm going to find someone that can help me. I'm going to find a way that I can make time, whether it's talking to my spouse, my family, my kids, to say, hey, I got to make a little bit of time. And we got to share in this responsibility for the short term, but it's going to help us all out. Or you're going to lean into someone, can I study more efficiently? You're going to find an opportunity instead of burying yourself down and down with I can't, I won't, I get all these things. No, you can do it. So let's make a change. Let's go through and change the way we talk, and then we'll change the way we act. So the decision is yours. Pick up. Oh, I just said that to myself. I need to stop doing that. And it's okay. I can make a change. Positivity and action. Those two together is what you need. Now, I'd love to help you along the path because I recognize these things in my head. It ain't about me, but I recognize, oh my God, I'm killing myself. And we can help you realize it. Hey, you just said that. No big deal. Shoop. Let's say it this way now. And let's go and take action. So if you want help, reach out. Either scott@pmmasterprep.com. That's my email. 757-759-5282. That's my phone number. Text, call, whatever. Day, night, I don't care. Let's get you on a path. Or go to our website, pmmasterprep.com, hit the Talk to Scott or the application, and go in there and just fill out, say, yo, this is my story. This is what I'm doing. I need some help. Little or big, doesn't matter. I just want to help. I got a gang of coaches. They're all ready to go and to help you out. One-on-one, small group attention. We'll understand and help you out. So stop being negative to yourself. Let's just be positive. You can do it. Let's take the step. We can help you get there. See you soon. Reach out.